Hi, my name is Danny Mathias, and this is my Nueva School Creative Project. I will be talking about two hobbies which are my passionate pursuits, flying and 3D modeling. I dedicate lots of hours each month to each activity, and I plan to continue to explore both flying and 3D modeling at Nueva for years to come afterward. I also selected this video format for my presentation for two reasons. First, I am highly skilled in creating video graphics and wanted to show my video making abilities. And second, this video format lets me communicate my interest through the use of many multimedia elements, including the cool combination of sight and sound. I greatly enjoy piloting airplanes. I've taken around 20 flight lessons since November 2023 and have accumulated over 20 flight hours. I began lessons because I became obsessed with aviation. I watched YouTube videos for hours and learned to play Microsoft Flight Simulator. Determined to develop my interest, I then found a flight instructor near at San Jose's Reed Hovey Airport, who was willing to take me on as a student. Together, we have flown across much of Northern California, spanning from Monterey to Sonoma County. I currently fly Cessna 172 and Cessna 150. These are a few videos which I saved for this project, of me flying from Reed Hovey Airport to Monterey. During flight training, before I take off, I start by examining the plane to make sure it's safe to sail the skies. I check the wheels and engines and pre-flight the plane. Once that is finished, I taxi across the airport and prepare for takeoff. When in the air, I monitor the aircraft systems, communicate with air traffic control, adapt for weather conditions, and check fuel levels. To land the plane, I manage speed and altitude by carefully observing flight instruments and adjusting engine power. And I scan the runway to ensure a smooth touchdown. And when I turn 17, all of this hard work will be worth it when I earn my private pilot's license. Additionally, I'm an enthusiastic 3D modeler. I began 3D modeling several years ago when I decided to build a Roblox game which required digital sculpting. This hobby allows me to use my creativity, designing skills, and technical and problem-solving skills. I leverage the software Blender 3D to model and change 3D objects, animate, edit, and render high-quality products. Recently, I've 3D modeled a gas mask, isometric rooms, a fire task board, an airplane hangar, and a few airplanes. While these models require much time and effort, it's very rewarding to complete them. For this project, I've united my two passions for 3D modeling and airplanes. To do this, I made a Boeing 737-800. In summary, I love both flying airplanes and 3D modeling, and upon investigation, I've seen that both passions are similar in many ways, and represent my unique interests. First, both aviation and 3D modeling require deep understanding of specific technologies, including control systems. Pilots use flight instrument panels, and 3D modelers leverage software interfaces. Second, both require accuracy and attention to detail. And finally, flying airplanes and 3D modeling demand advanced planning and troubleshooting in real time. I would love to share these skill sets with the community at the Nueva School.